Here's how to buy SAFEMOON. It's up over 100% in the past week. This video is going to show you exactly how to buy it. First, go to this URL and get 10% off your trading fees. You need to go here to buy BNB. It'll take you to sign up to Binance. To create a free account, you need to do this step to be able to buy Binance Coin or BNB. With the link that I just showed you, you'll get 10% on your trading fees, 10% saved on your trading fees, only using that link. You don't have to use it, but you'll get a reduction in your fees. When you create an account, go to buy crypto with a credit card. Enter the amount, enter the coin, select buy. Go to metamask.io, download, create a free wallet, set up an account. When you've got the wallet, go to wallet, settings, and create a new network with these details. Pause it here or watch again. Go to this site and click buy now.